All right, welcome back. And as promised, today we're going to do a Java project based on something that I think will be like really interesting today. So we're gonna do the most basic like banking system ever, where a user just can just like withdraw and also deposit their money from their account. So I think this project kind of aims to showcase the function of try and catch in Java, or in another word, it's just exception if you're using another programming language. Not just any programming language, including Java as well. Just almost every single programming language will have the exception built in. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get straight to the project. So first, we're going to create a Java class called, I think we just call whatever we want, but I'm gonna call account. And in this account, we're just going to kind of really basically, we're just going to have, just the data field should be not ID, sorry. It's autocorrects to kind of the wrong thing, but I think that's fine. So first of all, we're going to have a balance where the user can check how much money do they have in their account. And the second one, we're just gonna go straight to the constructor. Let's just and we're gonna do public account double balance in here, then this balance equals to balance, and then we're going to have a function where the user can withdraw their deposit the money first. Okay, let's just try double get balance, which is going to do later, just a getter. So at this point, you can do it first, I think that's fine, but for now, sorry, it should be void and then deposit double and amount. And then, since this project aims to demonstrate using exception, so we're just going to have an if statement right here. Okay, and then we're gonna throw in the error once the user, you know, deposit the negative amount. Okay, let's just say if the amount less than zero, the amount that the user entered in is less than zero. Okay, if it's less than zero, and then what do you do? So we're gonna throw a new illegal argument exception, and then the amount cannot be negative. So this thing right here, you should I think you should say throw in the illegal argument exception. Just don't forget this keyword. You have to use it. So, and then if the amount less than zero, then throw new illegal argument exception. So since Java treats everything like classes and objects, so you need a new keyword here. Okay. So, and then we can go to else, and then just this balance and then this amount, and then we're gonna print a message for them. Say deposited amount to account, I think. All right. So this is the function to deposit amount from the balance. We're gonna have another function to withdraw. And at the same time, we're going to check if the amount is less than zero, and then yeah, amount gonna be negative. And also else if we have to check if the amount is greater than the balance, since for example, if their balance only have $1,000, and then if the user want to withdraw like more than $1,000, it doesn't make any sense, right? So we're gonna throw an error right here. And then else, same as here, the balance minus equal to amount, so amount will be deducted from the balance, and then system out, we're gonna withdraw blah blah to account. So this is the function to withdraw amount from the balance. And lastly, we'll have we want the getter for the balance, right? Since it's private, so we need a getter. So control and then getter, and then the balance, double get balance, and then return balance. So this is the getter, okay? So that's all we have to do in the account class in Java. So let's just implement it in the main function. So we're going to new here, just name this thing as main, and then main function, type main. So what do we want to do? This I will demonstrate how can we use try and catch function. Okay, this one is just like throw in some of the errors. So this is the main event of today project. So let's start with create an account for the user. So account equals to new account, And then let's just have a balance. Let's just start it off with like 1,000, I guess. So, and then let's try. Let's try to, let's try to deposit the negative amount first. Let's see what happens, okay? Let's try this one and then catch exception. You have to throw in the keyword exception E right here so that the Java will know that okay, this is from the exception class. And then we're going to system out e.getMessage. This message will throw, okay, Java will throw this message into this account right here whenever, like, if there are like, sorry, not withdrawal, this should be deposit, yeah. So whenever if there is like error message, it will throw this message to the main class. And then finally, um I want to stress on this a little bit. It's, I mean, you can omit it if you want. I think that's fine, but I'm not gonna like omit it. So at least I want to let the user know that okay, whether if it's successful or not, we should print a message. Okay, just print a message. Just tell them like, okay, the user has attempted to deposit to attempted to deposit like that. So you can throw any message you want, just it doesn't matter if it's fails or if it fails or succeeds. We're just gonna throw in a message anyway so that the user know like what I mean the function is executed. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. And then we're going to try to perform an invalid withdrawal. Same thing as this one, we're going to copy the function right here, and then instead of deposit, we're going to withdraw. Okay, withdraw, then same negative like 500, doesn't matter, and then catch the same attempted to withdraw. I think this thing we should add like an error to this thing, error, then plus dot e got message. Okay, so that user know this is an error. Okay, let's try to perform a valid deposit. Let's try to deposit the amount. Let's just say 500, doesn't matter, and then error get message. This will, yeah, same thing. So, and also the withdrawal as well. We're gonna withdraw maybe like 200, I don't know. Then same thing as here, and then we're going to print out the final balance after user like perform each of these. So we're just going to print out final balance, and then yep, there you go. And yeah, just for pretty up a little bit, we're just going to print out just this dotted line and things like that, just to make it prettier, try to space out a little bit. And yeah, let's try to run it. Hopefully it works. And there you go. Error amount cannot be negative since we, yeah, try to deposit negative 500. And yeah, deposited, this is when it is succeeded. Sorry, not succeeded, when it is a valid deposit. So it should go straight to the function. Okay, final balance $1,000. And I'm just gonna deposit it. Okay, I'm just gonna add a dollar sign here just to make it a little bit prettier. It doesn't matter anyway, so main function as well, final balance should be this. Okay, let's try to run it again. And there you go. So hopefully, like, this is all it is to it. I mean, you can add like some more functions to it. This is just the most kind of shorted, I mean the shortest like video like I've ever done. It's just that I just want to showcase the try and catch function in Java to to have a knowledge of exception in Java. This is just, I'm using this project. I think this project has a good foundation of showcasing this. So I decided to use this one. So hopefully, you enjoy this. But anyway, I know this video is kind of short, but yeah. See you later with another project. I promise that the next project will be more kind of more fun to do. So yeah, see you on that project later on, and bye.